Good morning, folks. Here we are, July 30th, 2025, 8:30 a.m. We have just rolled in, nothing in the house yet. We have the tool trailer, we have a load of cabinets. Let's come on in here. We're gonna have a big island here, refrigerator here, wall of cabinets here, stove in the middle. Let's see what we can do. Okay, here we are, 8:46 a.m. Andrew and Josh have the laser set up. About half the ledger board on already. Okay, folks, 9:18. We've got these base cabinets leveled, just getting ready to screw them to the wall. We just threw the panels on this refrigerator cabinet. It's just sitting there. Nothing's in yet. We're going to be putting tongue and groove paneling for the finished ends on these bases in the refrigerator. So we're gonna tackle that now. Guys are bringing in the island right now. Okay, folks, 9:30. Half the island is set. Just about have the tongue and groove on this side of the fridge cabinet. We're gonna try sending a countertop template back in the next hour or so. 10 o'clock here, we have this cabinet in, this panel in. Working on leveling these up over here. Got our island together. Gotta tack that upper and these uppers here next. 10:31, folks. We've got this upper in, gotta do this filler right now. We've got these cabinets in over here. Doing a couple final little adjustments to the island. Spacer blocks in for the stove. We're just getting ready to template for the island. Gonna send that back to the shop. We're gonna see if we can have ourselves some countertops today, if possible. Might be a long shot. Let's see what we can do. Okay, I have my scribe strip on here. These have a double groove in them. They clip right onto the cabinet. I go to the bottom of the cabinet, measure my distance away from the wall, how far I need that to be. Come mark that on the top. Cut a piece that distance, and then I just scribe that right down the wall to get that line. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. I'm out in the install trailer. I've got the saw gear Tiger Stop all set up with a Capex Fest tool. Still working on this trailer. Got a little vacuum started. We have megaboard, pegboard on the walls. We're still building all the accessories to attach everything in here. This is kind of cool. We've got it where we keep our trim right underneath on this rack. Got a couple table saws in here, trying to figure out how exactly we want to set that up. This side here, a little bit debatable. We've only had this trailer for 6 weeks or so. We've done a number of small jobs where we actually stacked some cabinets in this side. We have another brand new trailer over here that we use for the cabinet, delivering the cabinet, so we can go right to work when we get here. But if you do a small island or a closet or something, kind of nice to only take the one trailer and a couple guys. So we're thinking we might leave this side open and try to keep the majority of our storage over on the left side. But I just measured for the crown over by the refrigerator. This is kind of how I do it. Mark it out. I'm gonna pre-cut all that out here and then go in and try to install it. Okay, folks, a little later than we wanted, but 5:30, and Seth just got here with our countertops, all custom made today. We're gonna get these in, and we're gonna template for some full height backsplash. We got the cabinet area all cleaned up. Everything's trimmed out. Andrew's following standard procedures, test fit in the sink. 5:31, first piece in. Absolute perfect fit, scribed right into the wall. Nice little return over this. Cabinet stuck out a little past the wall. That was 1 minute and 10 seconds from the back of the van to the piece of countertop into place. This one can't help but fit. help with that for a minute, but it is on the cart.
Just need a little bit of pressure, just guiding it down.
Beautiful, guys. I think this island is 6 foot plus tall and darn near 11 feet long. There it is in place. What time do you got, Andrew?
It's time for everybody out there to get a watch. 5:56.
5:56.